In this weather, I want to speak about one of my favorite novels, Matilda, by Mary Shelley, from which I included some quotes in my previous video, and in this one as well.
Scarcely had the demon cast his burning stare upon her.
Mary wrote it between 1890 and 1820 after the death of her husband, Percy Shelley. From what I have read, her father, the philosopher William Godwin, refused to publish the novel due to its controversial themes. Yet this text carries Mary Shelley's sorrow in such a strange, haunting way, as if she wrote it with her heart, not her hand. The word most often repeated in it is isolation or to withdraw. It is a novel filled with philosophical ideas and lofty reflection. Yet steeped in sadness, it tells the story of Matilda, a girl born to parents united by love, whose mother dies soon after her birth. Her grief-stricken father leaves his estate, entrusting Matilda to his sister's care. He disappears for many years until she grows into a young woman. When he finally returns, he subjects her to terrible suffering, first by awakening her witch affection, and then by inflicting pain. The events unfold toward tragedy. I won't reveal more, but in this novel I saw the heart of Mary Shelley, the orphan child, and how she perceived the world. That is why it remains one of my favorites. The rain poured down heavily, the wind howled through the trees, and the sky was thick with black clouds. This is what we read in novels, scenes that make us wish we could step into those very pages. was exactly how I felt today when I noticed the sky beginning to promise rain. I put on my clothes and hurried outside to see the raging sea, the clouds and the free birds. I had wished for this for years. A day like this, I will never forget it. I walked under the rain. I laughed. I played on the swing. To some, this may seem like simple things anyone could do, but to me, they are not. Because I know too well the feeling of being unable to do what brings you joy. But now I am fine.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
There are no panic attacks here, only me and nature, fierce yet loving. These rains do not merely nourish the earth, they restore the health of my heart. And so I stand and say, wash me, rain, of all that life stained upon me.